Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to get better access to the engine bay on your Sea-Doo by removing your lower seat deck support panel. The majority of all the newer Sea-Doos have this design setup like the GTI SE and RXT-X models shown in the following video clips. There are also link accessories like coolers, fishing racks, and a towing pylon that attach to or over the seat deck assembly that I will be covering in future videos. If you would like to learn more about jet skis and how to do more on them yourself, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please post them in the comments section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. When you need to replace your spark plugs, do an oil change, or just flush out your bilge and treat your engine bay with salt away, then you should remove your seat deck. Let's get started by removing your seats and this access panel. All of the T30 Torx screws in this picture need to be removed to get the panel out. I'm going to show you here each one of the screws that needs to be removed so you can get the panel out. You can pull the link blocks up or leave them down. It doesn't really matter when you're pulling the panel off. The front two screws have nuts and washers on them, so you'll need a 10mm wrench to hold the nut when removing those two screws. I typically use a 1/4-inch impact driver when disassembling plastic body parts on skis because 1/2-inch impacts, I think, are a little overpowered for this kind of work. If you are interested in knowing what tools and materials I prefer to use and trust, just check out my description. I will list links to as many tools as I can from the video. Now, just get started zipping all of the screws out. It's not a bad idea to have a magnetic bowl handy to hold the hardware. Once all of the hardware is out, you can now remove the panel and see how much more access you get to the engine bay once it is removed. The following pictures show what the top and bottom of the panel look like in case you need it for reference in the future. This is a full view of how much more access you get to the engine bay with the seat deck removed. Take note of the diag plug location if you need to scan your ski. If you enjoyed this video or just found it helpful, please smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel to see more cool videos like this one, and don't forget to check out my description for links to the tools and materials I used in this video.